topic is how to identify if the given ordered pair is one of the solution set to the given system of linear inequality in two variables. So, the given system is, when we say system, it is composed of more than one inequality, meaning 2 or more. Okay, so the given system is 2x minus y is less than 8. The second one is x plus y is greater than or equal to 7. So for letter A, the given ordered pair is what? 3, 4. So let us identify if 3, 4 is one of the solution set to the given system of linear inequality. So what we're going to do, so just substitute the value of x, which is 3 to the given inequality, and the value of y. What is the value of y? Okay, or sa Tagalog, papalitan natin si x ng ano? At si y ng, okay, first, or write the first inequality. We have 2x minus y is less than 8. Okay, again, the given ordered pair is 3, 4. So we're going to substitute 3 here. This will become 2 times 3. Tandaan, kapag yung variable ay may katabing coefficient, what we're going to do? We need to use parentheses. So this will become 2 times 3 minus, what is y? 4. It's less than 8. Then after that, simplify. 2 times 3, 6. Minus 4. 6 minus 4. 2 is less than 8. Sino po ang kinain? Mas malaki daw ba sa 8 kay 2? True or false? True. Okay, next, let us proceed by the second inequality. So we have x plus y is greater than or equal to 7. Again, what is x? 3. Plus, what is y? 4. Is greater than or equal to 7. 3 plus 4. 7 is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, class, yung symbol na ganito ay dalawa po ang function niyan. Either 7 is greater than 7 or 7 is equal to 7. Isa dapat lang ang magiging true dyan. Okay, kahit kailan hindi sila parehas magiging true. Isa man ang true, ang statement ay magiging true na po. Okay, check natin. 7 is greater than 7. False. Tama ba? But 7 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. True. Therefore, the given statement is true. Alin man sa kanila ay true, ang sagot ay laging true. Ma'am, paano kung parehas false? Di false ang ating sagot. Do you understand? Again, to the first inequality, okay, our statement is what? True. The second one. Okay, therefore, we can say that the given ordered pair is what we call the solution to the given system of linear inequality. Why? Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng dalawang true statement. Ma'am, paano kung isa lang po yung true? Meaning, not solution to. Do you understand?